Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on redeeming codes and gift cards on the Xbox One. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Launch your Xbox and sign in to your profile. Click the Guide button on your controller to bring up the Guide menu. Now open the Xbox Store. From the Xbox Store, click on Redeem a Code from the options at the bottom of the page. You can now enter your redeemable code here. Xbox codes are 25 digits long. Once you have entered the code, it will retrieve your item and you can confirm that you want to accept and redeem it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xbox tips and tricks.